Okay.
I'm eating chocolate with the coconut, and I love coconut.
No, it's a calamay
Calamay is
and pack it in the coconut shell.
coconut shell. That's so yummy.
How do you find it?
Here.
Yummy?
Yes. And you see my last video. I make this coconut with something input, and if I mix it gets sticky and stickier.
Yeah. Ikaw na. Lami?
Lamig mo.
Lami kayo?
Lamig ba? Ang sakit dang.
It's a rice na malagkit tapos na ay peanut and kamay. The sugar that is so brownie.
Brown. Oh, that's why it's making it brownish.
Yep.
And guys, it's really now sticky because I spin it too hard.
Oh, muna si Ate Inday.
Di ka mag... Okay. Okay, let's try it. Happy me. Okay, you see it. Oh.
Kaka na. Ako na na mong Pringles ha.
Ganun ang kanin mo? Ito sa rice. Ito sa rice.
Kanang malagkit nga rice. Oh. Ano tayo? Day. Ah.
Famous guys sa tinday si video.
Video. Ang ko Ate Ishi.
Ate Ishi. Watch this, guys. Ate. You can practice if you're just a big. I'm joking. I'm not angry. Anytime mom get angry me if I borrow his cell phone, but just one at a time because he didn't want me to hit my eye. I don't know.
Masira.
So, Tagalog mean parents.
That's why I let you borrow my cell phone sometimes. Not often times because I don't want you that your eyes will get sira.
So guys,
And you will get blind. You will not see me anymore.
and of course guys, we're Tagalog family.
Really? We're Tagalog family?
Of course,
And then why you're speaking English? If you're a Tagalog family. Oh, Inday oh.
Alright guys, kind of like a slime, but it's not a slime.
Nicole, ate. Ate!
Oh, ate!
Ate, di ay ate.
Ate Ishi?
Alas, ano? Sarap yan?
Yes,
Sige. Say bye-bye na to your video. And see you next time.
see you next time.